Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is 𝗀𝗫𝗀𝗃 from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on zinc. MCX zinc price had given a downward trendline breakdown along with break in its nearby support of 219 level indicate that the short-term trend is bearish in base metal. However, zinc price witnessed a strong upside bounce but failed to reach the upper key resistance of 226 level, that is 78.6% of previous fall in the past as per above chart. At present, zinc price is hovering near key support of 217 level and break below will drag the price further down till 214 and 210 level in near term. On the other hand, key resistance hold at 221 level and break above will act as a trend reversal. The price indicator is bearish. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.